guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars, DIYs, and anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. Okay, so today guys, tuturo ko sa inyo paano magpalit ng bulb ng fog lights for Toyota Rush. Kailangan nyo lang i-pry yung dalawang lock dito sa ilalim and yung dito sa taas at yung isang bolt sa ilalim. So, gawin natin guys. So, prying tool. Kung wala kang prying tool, ano guys, flat screwdriver. So, pag dito guys, medyo hihiga-higa kayo guys sa ilalim. So, prepare to get dirty. Two down. Three down. Okay. So, I think pwede na natin siyang dukutin. Okay. So, hindi na kailangan alisin guys yung size 8 sa ilalim, yung tatlong lock lang. Okay, ano yung socket? Okay, so dudukutin nyo lang guys. So ganito itsura. Yan. Tanggal na yung socket and aalisin ko yung bulb. Ito yung bulb guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, so tapos na natin palitan yung fog lights. Nabalik na lang natin guys yung fender liner. Okay, so ibabalik na lang yan basically, yung liner at yung lock. That's it. Doon naman sa kabila. Okay guys, so upgraded na yung fog lights natin into dual color LED. Okay guys, so ganun lang kadali magpalit ng fog lights. Either upgrade or busted na yung fog lights nyo. Sobrang dali lang gawin. So kung nagustuhan nyo yung video natin, please give nyo naman ng thumbs up. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Again, Mark nga pala ulit. Thank you so much for joining me today guys, and I hope to see you guys on our next DIY video.
Take me where you go when the sun